Hello everyone, this is meteorologist Ryan Willis with your weekly weather briefing for March 16th, 2023. Alright, so we have a few things to talk about over the next several days. The first being widespread rain and some embedded thunderstorms that will spread across the area tomorrow ahead of the approaching cold front. There is the risk for an isolated strong or severe storm, mainly in portions of central Georgia, and we'll get to that in a little bit. Cooler temperatures will return behind the front for this weekend into early next week, with a couple mornings again experiencing freezing temperatures, especially by Sunday and Monday mornings. There is some potential for returning showers by Tuesday of next week, but there is uncertainty on that. If we take a look at current satellite and radar across the southeast, we can see it's pretty quiet out there today across our area, with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies persisting through the day. Temperatures today will be warmer, with highs ranging from the low 60s to low 70s across the area, and overnight lows tonight into Friday morning will also be much warmer than the last couple of mornings as clouds and showers begin to increase from the northwest late. We'll take a look at the general progression of showers and thunderstorms across the area tomorrow. This is one model solution, so don't focus on exact timing, but you can see showers will begin to enter northwest Georgia early Friday morning and push southeast through the day. The isolated to scattered thunderstorm potential will be highest generally for areas along and south of I-85, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours. Rain will taper off from northwest to southeast through the day. As far as the risk for a strong to severe thunderstorm tomorrow, you can see that a marginal risk or level 1 risk is in place across the southwestern quadrant of the area for tomorrow afternoon. There is low instability, which will limit the severe risk overall, but given favorable shear, we can't totally rule out an isolated damaging wind gust or even a brief weak tornado, though the overall risk is quite low. Again, looking at the forecast for tomorrow, you can see rain chances will be very high, with rain spreading across the area through the day. Highs will be on the warmer side, especially in middle Georgia ahead of the approaching rain, where temperatures will reach into the mid-70s during the afternoon. Rainfall totals through Friday night are forecast to range largely from a ½ inch up to 1.25 inches, though locally higher rainfall totals would be possible. This is not expected to cause any significant flooding concerns. However, localized rises on creeks and streams can be expected, particularly where any heavier rainfall falls. Looking at the Saturday forecast, lingering showers will exit southeast Georgia during the morning, which will leave mostly to partly cloudy skies through the remainder of the day. Morning lows will drop to near freezing in far north Georgia, with highs on Saturday remaining below normal behind the cold front. Sunday looks to be overall the coldest day of the week ahead, with freezing temperatures likely across north Georgia Sunday morning, and afternoon highs struggling to get out of the 40s in north Georgia and struggling to get into the mid-50s in central Georgia. These below normal temperatures will stick around into early next week, with Monday and Tuesday morning lows around or below freezing across much of the area, especially on Monday morning. Significant uncertainty remains as far as when the next rain chances will increase. There is potential for a coastal low pressure system that could bring increasing rain chances by Tuesday, but at this point we'll need to continue evaluating this potential. Taking a look at the big picture of the week ahead, we can see Friday really is the wettest day of the next several days, with cooler temperatures returning over the weekend and into early next week. Freezing temperatures are again likely for many areas, particularly Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday mornings, especially across North Georgia. Alright, so widespread rain and some thunderstorms will spread across the area tomorrow as a cold front pushes southeastward. An isolated strong to severe storm threat is possible, primarily in portions of central Georgia. Cooler temperatures will return behind the front for the weekend into early next week, with freezing temperatures again likely from the late weekend into early week. And while there is some potential for returning showers by Tuesday, there is significant uncertainty on this timing and potential, so stay tuned. Thanks for attending this week's briefing. If you need to get in touch with us, here are a number of ways you can connect with us.